Welcome back to Sue's Kitchen JA. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make easy, simple omelette. Now these are all the ingredients that you're going to need. I already have my minced up scallion. I have my thyme. I have a little bit of salt, black pepper, 3 eggs, and 1 sardine. So now let me show you how to do it. So now we have our sardine out of the tin, so now we're going to add in our eggs. So that's 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs. So after we add in our eggs, then we're going to add in our thyme, our scallions, and then our salt, our black pepper, and that's how it looks when we finish adding everything. And then all that you're going to do now is you're going to mash out the sardine, mash it out. So after everything is mashed out, now we're going to whisk it. You can use your fork to whisk it, or you can use your pancake whisk, your cake whisk, whatever you have at home. You use it and you whisk it. We're trying to mix everything together. This is an easy breakfast omelette. So now we are going to add in our oil. You don't need a lot of oil. You need a good amount, but not a lot. So that's it. And you're going to let this hot. Now that our oil is hot, we're going to put in our omelets. Then we're going to fold it in half. You press down on it just to get all of the middle that is not yet finished to be squeezed out to the side. And once it's like that, you stick it in the middle, or you can press it to the side and you turn it. You can make it thin or you can make it thick. Mine is thick. I don't really make mine that thin. I'm going to do a thin one next to show you guys. Once it can move around in the pot, you can flip it. So once it's really moving around, you can flip it. You see? You flip it and you squeeze it. Nearly it is there. Or just a little bit. You can take this little side and put on the top. And close up the omelette. So this is how my sardine omelette looks. I just added some mozzarella cheese on top, and I sprinkled some parsley leaves around it. So you guys can also try this recipe and let me know down below in the comment how it went for you. As usual, thanks for making it Sue's Kitchen JA. Enjoy your day, your night, your evening, and have an awesome time while you're creating meals. Bye now.